In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload designs to Teespring. If you want to transform your creative digital artwork into physical products that you can sell worldwide, you are in the right place. Navigating the design upload process is smooth and straightforward once you know exactly where to click and how to prepare your files for the highest print quality. To begin, open your web browser, navigate to your favorite search engine, and type in Teespring to find the official website. Once you are logged securely into your Creator dashboard, look around the interface and select the option labeled Start Creating. This action instantly launches the platform's digital design studio, which serves as your creative canvas. Here, you will see a comprehensive catalog displaying a wide variety of base merchandise, including apparel like shirts and hoodies, as well as home decor and accessories. Take your time scrolling through these options and click on the specific product type you wish to customize first. Once your chosen product loads on the screen, look for the dedicated Upload Image button on the design panel. Clicking this will open your device's File Explorer so you can select your creative artwork file. For the absolute best physical printing results, it is highly recommended to upload your image as a high-resolution file with a transparent background, ensuring the product color shows through perfectly without any awkward borders. After your graphic appears on the digital product preview, you can use your mouse to click and drag the bounding box corners to perfectly scale and position your artwork within the safe printable area template. With your graphic perfectly positioned, you can use the color selection squares on the side panel to choose the specific product colors you want to offer to your customers. After selecting the color range, scroll down to the pricing section to view the base manufacturing costs. Here, you can adjust the final retail price to determine your exact profit margin for every single item sold. When you are completely satisfied with how the product looks and the profit you will make, click on the Continue button to proceed. This brings you to the final configuration page where you simply need to type in a catchy product title and write an engaging description explaining your concept to potential buyers. To finish the process, ensure your visibility settings are configured correctly and click the Publish button to make your brand new merchandise live for the public to purchase. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.